A Little Spot of Frustration, a story about self-control, written and illustrated by Diane Alber. Hi, I'm Flexible Thinking Spot. I'm Calm Spot. We are here to help you when a frustration spot shows up. When does a frustration spot show up? A frustration spot shows up in a situation we can't control. Either something happens that you didn't expect, or you expected something different to happen. It's good to have a small frustration spot because it can show that you are learning or being challenged. But if a frustration spot isn't managed, it can turn into a big, angry emotion spot pretty quickly. And that doesn't make you feel very good. That's why it's important to help a frustration spot right away before it starts to get out of control. That's why we are here, to help flip your frustration spot into a calm and flexible thinking before it turns into an angry spot. Sometimes it's not easy to flip your frustration spot, so we wanted to give you these unique tokens to help. These tokens have two sides. One side shows you what you can't control, and the other side shows you what you can control. This will help you manage your expectations and reactions to situations. Frustration spots like to show up when we can't control what's going to happen. The token reminds us of those things, like the weather, or when someone does or says something to us that we don't like. Calm and flexible thinking spots show up when we are in control of our thoughts and actions. The token reminds us of those things, like when we make good choices and say and do nice things. When things happen that we can't control, frustration spots start to give off warning signs. This lets us know that they are nearby so that we can help. You might feel like yelling or your heart will start pounding. This is an excellent time to do a frustration flip. This is how it works. When you feel a frustration spot nearby, flip the token 4 times. Each time you flip, you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ensure it lands on the calm and flexible side, so you can remember that you are in control of this. Like this. And repeat after me. When I get frustrated, I can stop and see. What I can control is inside of me. My actions, my words, my feelings, and my thoughts can flip my frustrations to calm and flexible spots. This gives your mind a chance to calm down and apply flexible thinking to the problem. Frustration spots get confused easily. Little problems like misplacing your pencil can trigger a frustration spot when all it needed was a flexible thinking spot. This looks like my problem. That's because frustration spots are still learning when to show up. So when you have a medium problem, it's just a flexible thinking spot that's needed, or a big problem where no one is helping, or someone's in danger, you need to seek help, then a frustration spot appears. When I get frustrated, I can stop and see what I can control inside of me. My actions, my words, my feelings, and my thoughts can flip my frustrations to calm and flexible spots. Okay, so this is where this little girl, she's in a desk and she wants her teacher to call on her. And she says, I know the answer. Why won't the teacher call on me? And so then she waits and she does a frustration flip. The teacher sees I am participating, and hopefully she'll call on me next time. This is showing how you can use a frustration flip if when you're painting, something happens and you made a mistake. Why do I keep making mistakes? And then his little frustration spot appears. But over here, he does a frustration flip. And he says, when I get frustrated, I can stop and see. What I can control is inside of me. My actions, my words, my feelings, and my thoughts can flip my frustrations to calm and flexible spots. And then he did it over here with his calm and in control. And he says, practice helps me grow. So it's okay to make a mistake. These are all different ways that you can do a frustration flip to help calm your frustration spots and help you think calm and rationally. I hope you guys have a great day.